Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Parveen and my educational qualification is graduation and BTC. I have completed BSc in chemistry and biology. I have only 2 years experience as teaching in basic education department. I belong to Banda district from Uttar Pradesh. Banda is the district headquarter. It is a part of division Chitrakoot. The specialty of Banda district is appropriate by praise. First of all, I want to say about Bamdev temple. Bamdev temple is a very famous temple in Banda. Bamdev was a great sage who lived here and from whom this district derives its name, Bamda. Earlier it was Bamda BAMDA, which was later named Banda. And the second is this, it is also believed that Lord Rama has spent 12 or 14 years of his exile at Chitrakoot. Chitrakoot was the part of Banda until few years ago. And the famous place, the another famous place in Banda is the Kalinjar Fort. The Kalinjar Fort is very famous. The Kalinjar hill is said to have derived its name from Lord Shiva himself, who is the main deity of Kalinjar, called as Neelkantha even today. This place is really famous not only for worshipping but for visiting also. People come here from far and wide. And Bada is also famous for a great person, a poet, Tulsidas. Tulsidas was the author of Ramcharitmanas. He was born here at Rajapur. Rajapur is a place in Banda. And I think that Tulsidas as a great poet is very well known by people in every states as he is known in Uttar Pradesh. Say about my school. My school, I teach in a primary school and the name of my school is Composite School Nohai. Nohai is a place, a rural area. It is situated about 30 kilometers before Kalinjar and I am an assistant teacher. There are 102 students in my school. All they belong to rural area. Let's talk about my problem in teaching. My problem was that I taught older students before my job in primary school. So it was really difficult for me how to teach little kids at primary level. I tried my best in every subject, but there was really something missing that when I attended ZII training of Sri Aurobindo Society, then I knew to teach a little child can become easy through some innovative ideas and without these innovative ideas can also be used to improve teaching methods. With the help of ZII training, I understood very well how to implement a teaching method with many activities. And I also learned that students should be participated with these activities so that they will be able to learn easily. And I learned a lot from Innovative Pathshala also. Innovative Pathshala is very helpful and useful for me as well as for others. And I learned from this ZII training online ways of teaching and many activities like grid game, Ludo, Chakke Pe Chakka and concept mapping, role play, etc. And Mr. Amit Verma as a trainer of ZII helped me very much. When I shared my idea to him, he completely helped me to improve my idea and he also helped me how to implement these activities with the students properly as online way. Now I feel very comfortable to teach my students both types as online way and offline way. And my students are taking interest in learning. They are learning everything, every subject with full of fun and full of joy. So this is really nice for me. And all this has become possible because of Sri Aurobindo Society and ZIEI. And I think my school should be a role model, because students of rural areas of my school are progressing towards their study after implementation ZIEI teaching methods on them. And ZIEI app available on Play Store is really very helpful for teaching and learning. So I must say that this is a platform for the teachers and by the teachers. Thanks a lot to Aurobindo Society and ZIEI, HDFC Banks too. Thank you so much.